Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making an Asian stir fry today. And so right now I'm just prepping up some meals for the upcoming week there because I'm going to be going out and having hip surgery. For our choice of meat today, we're going to be using a T-bone steak that I bought. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just cutting the package open. And as I do with all my meats, I will usually pat them down dry a little bit with a paper towel. And then I'm going to take a nice sharp knife and we're going to cut it into cubes. And I'm going to trim off the excess fat that I don't want. And, just too bad I know you handle the dog, I could give him the bone there because I'm sure he'd love that. But yeah, just follow me along with this process step and you guys will be fine. Now what I ended up doing was I ended up adding a little more meat to it because I didn't think it was quite enough meat there. So I ended up mixing up a little bit of stewed meat with this just to give me a little more meat with it. And it came out really fine. And then I put it in a bowl and then for the cooking process we ended up using the Infusion New Wave stovetop that I have. I ended up getting it on QVC for under 100 and it came with a lid and a cover for the lid, so I'm really happy with the purchase. Got it on Easy Pay, and now you can see me cubing out the steak. And so again, this recipe came out really good to my amazement. I was just playing around with different recipes. But my choice of vegetables to make it easy on me, like if you've been following me along on my channels, I try to make everything easy peasy. I ended up getting the mixed vegetables with the anyway, you said on the box, Asian vegetables already cooked. You'll see it in the upcoming video going ahead a little bit further. And they have the meat fully cut. And at this point, I just took it and I transferred it over to the bowl just to get it ready for the frying up process. But I was just trimming off all the excess fat and everything, and then I'm showing the bowl in the video and filming by myself again, and it's been very, very hard on me, but I'm doing the best I can and trying to keep spirits up right now. And I would suggest just try to help me out along and continue with prayers for me. So right now we got the pan going, put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. This is stir fry I'm using for the vegetables, and I ended up getting a nice wooden spoon set at Kohl's the other day, and really happy with the purchase. Now I'm just putting a little bit of soy sauce in and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, probably about a tablespoon of each. And it was really fine. It gave it really good flavor. And then I salt and peppered it with onion powder, garlic powder, and that sort of thing. Everything all was to taste. And I had my heat cranking up at 375. And what I did after it all cooked up on the meat, I took it out and put it back into the bowl. And then I made a little roux with some flour. Flour is not keto, so don't judge. I had it in my macros at the end of the day that I was okay with it. And I got to get some xanthan gum. I thought I had some, but I don't have any. And that would be the choice for the if you're doing true keto. And the meat was coming along really good with this cooking device that I have. And I didn't put enough flour in the first time because it was really, really moist, and once I added a little more flour to it, it was fine. And then of course now I'm just adding a little bit of butter, and because I'm going to try to get the flavors of the beef, and then you can add either chicken stock or beef stock to it. And then I added a little bit of chicken stock because that's all I had. And then I added a little bit of heavy cream to try to get it a little creamy. But if you didn't want to have the cream, you could always add some cream cheese to it. Yeah, that would have been a better choice too as well. But I'm just kind of experimenting with the how I'm cooking up things now. Trying to change things up a little bit and give things a little more flavor. And in an upcoming video, I ended up making a carnivore meatloaf. It was really, really good. I could have eaten the whole 2 pounds of meatloaf. That's how good it was. So there was just adding a little more chicken stock to it. And then, or broth. And then with some choice of vegetables. There was quite a bit of broccoli in this area. I was cutting back with some of the broccoli. But to my amazement, it all fit in the pan and everything, and I'm just kind of like stirring it up, and it seemed like it was really, really wet on the gravy, I guess you would call, but it eventually thickened up to a point where it was really nice and thick and great, like a regular gravy for a stir fry. And just like I said, if you just follow along, experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment. If it's the worst that can happen, you can mess up and throw out a meal, right? But the problem is the steak that I was using was about $20-something for that slab of steak. And I really wanted a good steak. But again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And again, thanks for watching. And the next process is really just easy. It'll just finish up cooking. And again, don't forget to enjoy your day and stay warm, stay safe out there, and stay vigilant. And thanks for watching and coming along my journey. And hope you have an amazing day.